What's up, guys? My name is Raven Gamer. So I need to show you something crazy. By the way, guys, like and subscribe. Let's go for 10,000 subscribers. Not going for 1 million already because this is my first ever video. So I'm gonna show you guys something crazy. So here there is a wild bird nest, and yeah, so here I could see that the mother's probably sleeping. She's hatching new birds, and I don't know where the dad is. Can you guys actually see it? I need to go a little closer. So here somewhere there's a bird. And I still don't know if you guys could see it. Hold on, I need to... I think you guys could see it. I'm trying to get the phone as close as possible to the bird without dropping it. So yeah, I think the father is looking for food to give to the mother. And what I believe is that she's hatching eggs, because why else would she just be sitting there laying down? Like, that's how birds make eggs. This is crazy, guys. There's literally an actual bird over there. Not even joking. You guys might not be able to see it. So one day, I'm gonna have to have a close-up of the bird. You guys, believe me, there is a literal bird nest outside. This is not clickbait. There's actually a bird nest literally attached to my house. It's crazy. And I might read some of your comments and tell you them in some of the videos. I might have to write them down, but you have to be like the first few of the people writing in my comments. So, but actually, there is a real life bird over there. So guys, this is crazy. So, bye guys.